All right. So that's what a flat line would be. I just have some pictures of things. If the line is going up, that means that this is a constant speed. Going at the same rate away from the object. A steeper line, notice this dashed line is steeper. A steeper line indicates a larger distance moved in a given time. In other words, a higher speed. So this dashed line, whatever it represents, is going faster than this line if this is a distance time graph. Does that make sense? It's covering more distance. Both lines are straight, so they're constant. Here's this curve. What does a curve mean? A curve, not constant speed. So in this case, this curve means this person is going, increasing their speed because it's speeding up. It's increasing as the time goes along, the rate at which their distance is changing. We would use that word accelerating. So in a distance graph, if something's like this, it's not accelerating. It's just moving at a constant speed. But if something is like this, it's accelerating, if it's curved, okay? I don't know that I addressed this. Hold on. No, summary. I just really liked this because it summarized everything you learned yesterday, hopefully. So if this was a distance graph, now, this is a steady speed. This means stationary. Do you know what the word stationary means? Stationary means standing still, not moving, okay? This is returning to the start, okay? And then I even put a curved line here. So this is like a really nice summary of a distance versus time graph, which is what we were all investigating yesterday. Now, what happens? Well, let's answer these questions first. On page 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 graphs. Would you study those graphs, please? Can you tell me which of the graphs shows that one of the runners started 10 yards further ahead of the other? Just look at them. If you think you know, raise your hand. Brad?
Would it be A?
Yes. Why did you pick A?
Because I did.
Tell me specifically why. Alex, why did you pick A?
10 yards further than the other. That one shows 0 to 10.
So this shows somebody starting at 0, and this one shows somebody starting at 10. Here they both started 10 yards away from the object, right? How about here? 20 yards, and here they both started at the same spot at 0 yards away. Okay, good. Alrighty, now let's just see how good we do. Let's take a little quiz. I'll give you 1 minute to take this quiz. So, number 1, the car is stopped. 2, the car is traveling at a constant speed. This is a distance graph. 3, the speed of the car is decreasing. The car is coming back. Please be very, very, very careful. Would you match A, B, C, and D with 1, 2, 3, and 4? Those statements, please. Alright, let's be able to justify our answer. I said that graph A matched 2. Okay, and here's why. Because distance is increasing over time. And it's straight. I said graph B matches 4. The car is coming back. And I could even add at a constant speed to that one, couldn't I? Because the distance is decreasing over time. Because this doesn't say the speed. Do you see what I'm saying? So if a car's speed is decreasing, it's still traveling away from the object. It's just gonna be slower. So that's why I picked D for that one. So graph C matches 1 because the line is flat. And graph D matches description 3 because I'm going to say the graph is curved. But going up. Okay.